Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll check out how to create a Netflix account on your mobile. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll guide you step by step, so make sure you follow along and don't miss any steps. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your phone. If you don't have an account yet, tap Create a Netflix account and more. Step 2. You'll be redirected to a new screen. Here, tap Create a Netflix account. Step 3. Now tap Next. Step 4. Type in your email address and then create a password. Make sure your password is strong but easy to remember. Step 5. If you don't want to receive promotional emails, simply check the box below to skip them. Step 6. Tap Next to move to the Choose the Plan screen. Step 7. Select a plan according to your preference. I recommend choosing the standard plan because it has no ads and gives you a smooth streaming experience. Step 8. Tap Next again. Step 9. Finally, select your payment method. Enter the required details and process your payment. And that's it. Your Netflix account is ready to go, and you can now start watching your favorite shows and movies. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.